I just wanted to talk about number bonds one more time with you guys, just in case you guys need a little bit of help on your homework. Okay, so number bonds are just a fancy way of taking one big number and breaking it up into two parts. So let me give you an example. You could put 3 fingers on one hand, but if you wanted to break it up into 2 hands, you could put 2 on one hand and 1 on another. Let's look at that in a number bond. So if we wanted to do a number bond with 3 as our whole or our total, we would put 3 at the top, okay? And since we could put 2 on one hand and 1 on another, we would put 2 here and 1 here. I kind of like to think of these lines as arrows pointing and saying, this is 3 and these are the 2 parts, okay? So let's do another example. We could do the same thing with the number 4. We can hold it up, all 4 fingers on one hand, or we can break it into 2 groups. So let's put 4 at the top. That's the whole, that's the total. That's how many we have all together. So we could break up 4 in a lot of different ways. You could put 1 on one hand and 3 on another. You could also do 2 and 2. Either way, it doesn't matter because they all make 4. 2 and 2 make 4 together. 1 and 3 make 4 together, okay? So you could do 2 and 2, or you could do 1 and 3. It doesn't matter as long as these 2 numbers combined add up to 4, okay? Let's do one more example. Let's think about the number 5. 5. So we could hold up 5 fingers on one hand, but we want to separate these into 2 parts, okay? So we could do 1 and 4. We could do 2 and 3. So we could put 1 down here and 4 down here, right? That's one option. And another option would be to put 2 here and 3 here. Of course, there's more than just those examples. I just wanted to give you a couple examples. So just remember, these 2 numbers have to add up or be combined to this top number, okay? So let me give you an example of something that would not work, okay? This is an example of something that is wrong. If you had 5 as your total or your whole, but instead of a 3, you put a 4, that would be wrong because 2 and 4 make 6. And this is a 5, okay? So remember, 2 parts make a whole. 2 parts make a whole.